Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to disable Incognito mode in Google Chrome. If you don't want to use the Incognito mode, maybe you think it is not safe or maybe you want to just simply disable it for any reason, then in this video I'll show you how it can be done. So first you have to go to the desktop, and once you're on your desktop, in the search section you have to search for registry editor. Once you search for it, it will open like this. There you will see this option H key current user. You have to simply expand this option. From these options you have to expand the software, and then you have to go to the policies. Once you get to the policies you have to expand it, and none what you have to do is you have to do a right click onto this, and there you will see the option for key. Simply click onto it and name this key Google, and then you have to click on Google and create a key in it, and then you have to name it Chrome. Once you have done that, then you have to go to the right side and then do a right click there, then click on new, and then you have to click on this 30-bit option, and there you have to write incognito mode availability. Make sure you go with the same spelling and the same capitalization. Once you have created it, then you have to do a right click onto it, and then you have to click onto this first option modify. As you click onto this option modify, then you will see this option up here. You have to simply write one and click OK. Once you have done it, then you have to simply do a restart of your computer. Otherwise you would see that Incognito mode is still there. So simply go there and do a restart. Once you have done a restart, then the Incognito mode will be disabled. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.